Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 8826 Tyrell. I guess they had came out here not too long ago, had to open this up. And now they want to get it inspected. So I'm here at one of these stacks here in the basement. You got this stack here and one closer going over there, going out to the front, going from the farther one away. Show my camera in here, see what it looks like. Be right back. Alright, so we got our camera ran out here. I believe I'm right at the main. I've located this right where the manhole is, right before the manhole. So I believe we're right at the main here. It's 5 feet deep, we're dumping it at the main. 4 feet 5. So let's pull this back, see what this line looks like. Small piece of root or something growing on the side there. Fill up the joint there. Some roots growing in here. Yeah, they don't have a yard cleanout that we found or I'd seen when I was cameraing it. So they're only able to run such a big cutter from the basement down here. Go ahead and run a 3-inch cutter to there. So you can't really cut the roots out properly, but we're going to go ahead and see where this is at. We'll be right back. Yeah, I've located and marked this at the corner of the driveway right there where the railroad tie is. 4 feet 8 inches deep. Pull it back and show you some more here. Some more roots growing in there. Turn right there. A little more roots there. Small amount of roots there. Bunch of roots growing in there. We'll be right back. Yep, I went ahead and located this in next to the driveway, between the driveway and the neighbor's yard there. Go ahead and keep pulling back. Some more roots there. Thatch roots there. More roots there. Locate this up here, right? Yep, I went ahead and marked where that is. Pull back and see we got a turn here. Let's turn and kind of dive in a little bit. Alright, so I was here yesterday and I thought I could find a clean out there. I did see some 3-inch riser pipe out there, but there was something tying into it and it looked kind of funny. I wasn't sure if that's where that was for the sewer or not. Like I said, it's just a 3-inch. It's ABS pipe, it's not even PVC, it's ABS. And it looks like they have some kind of line tying into it. when you shine your light down there, there's something tying into it a few feet. It's only 3 feet 5 inches deep to here, but that's where it ties in at. Probably recommend that to be repaired, and whatever is tying into it cut out of there, then put a 4-inch riser pipe so they can clean this line properly. Because yeah, the pipe that's tying into the side of it for, I'm not sure what's for some yard drain or something, but it's definitely taking up all the room in the pipe and you can't get a big cutter down there. So here we are at the transition. It comes with a 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay pipe. I'm going to go locate this up right back. Hey, but I went ahead and located, marked this transition. So I'm probably going to recommend that riser pipe out there to be redone. Like I said, they got some tying in the side of it out there, and I'm able to get a decent sized cutter in there. It's only a 3-inch ABS pipe, so I recommend a 4-inch or 6-inch. I mean, 6-inch riser pipe, so you can run a big 4-inch cutter in there and cut the roots out properly. Because like I said, having a 3-inch riser pipe out here is just as good as having a 4-inch stack here in the basement. You're only able to run such a big cutter, so recommend that to be changed to 6. Got a turn there and a drop. New York stack.